So this is just my opinion on a quick little upgrade I did for my Jeep Wrangler. So this is a 2025 Jeep Wrangler, and thank you so much to the brand for sending these in exchange for our opinion. So I really like these. I have a red Wrangler, if you can see there, and so I kind of wanted something that would add a little bit of flair to it. And so these were obviously black before, kind of like how these are. So this pack comes with 4 of them, and they're different sizes. So this one in the middle here is a little bit bigger. So just make sure when you're putting them on that you're checking the sizes to make sure you're getting them right. But the bigger one goes here on the middle, and then there's 2 that are the same size here for these knobs. And then you also get a 4th one to go on your light switch as well, so that everything can be matchy. They fit pretty good. Show you here, mine do have the notches like this, and they just pop right on there, and they have a pretty snug fit. So overall, these are a little bit, they stick off a little bit more, but they're still on there really well, and they don't affect how you can turn it. But definitely a cute, easy upgrade.